Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 July 2018, 02 of hour, 55 of minute and 26 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do you put fresh eggs in the fridge? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do you put fresh eggs in the fridge. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do you put fresh eggs in the fridge. Bloom is a natural protective layer that coats eggs. As soon as eggs have been washed though, it is important they are refrigerated for safety reasons. Washed or not, eggs will stay fresh longer when kept cold. It is believed that 1 day unrefrigerated equals a week in the fridge in terms of freshness. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.